modeling the lamp. So what I'm gonna do is go to Fusion 360, is the software that I'll be using. I chose the top plane and I drew a circle and I gave it a 60 diameter. At the end of the tutorial, I'll be explaining the right number. And then I extruded the circle up 25 millimeters for now. This is the first part, so maybe I might go wrong. And then I did a shell. A shell is basically removing everything and keeping the walls 2 millimeters. I'm gonna make the circle or the place where the bulb will be seated, which is the LED in our case. And as I showed you before, that there are two lines that I have to draw, or there's a different shape. I'll add it on the screen. That's why I'm doing these two lines, moving them to the side. It's the different diameter, which was like 7.1 millimeter, but I gave it some tolerance, so I did it like 8 millimeter to make sure, because you know the printer has some tolerance and it's good to give it. And then I press pulled it, or I extrude cut down, and as you can see now I have the shape where the LED can be placed. I will start working on the switch or the button, whatever you want to call it, location. So I just did a circle on the middle plane and then I gave it an 8 millimeter diameter, and then I extruded cut it. But first I made sure it's in the center. I gave it the dimension first, but from the top it was 25 divided by 2. The distance I divided it by 2, and then I made sure it's in the center by adding a line. Okay, and then I changed it into construction line, as you can see the dotted line, and then I selected both the point of the circle and the line, and I made them coincident to make sure it doesn't go left and right. And then I went outside of the sketch mode and then I extruded the hole. With that done, I sent the print to the printer, and I will be adding a shot of how it came out in the coming days.